This week really feels like Dorney Park skyline is finally starting to change as the 95-degree drop is now complete on Iron Menace. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills. Before we get started in today's construction update, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. If you're watching this from 2024, Happy New Year. Yeah, we definitely got a lot to look forward to next year. Also, if this is your first time here on PANJ Thrills, I would like to welcome you, and I highly encourage you guys to subscribe to the rate. Dorney Park has been building Iron Menace. We still got a lot of these construction updates to go, and I've post these pretty much anytime something major is going down with Iron Menace, as well as a lot of other stuff I do here on the channel. Just amazing, guys. You know, my first visit here to Dorney Park was, I would guys say, back in 2007, and this park hasn't received a new coaster since that. Obviously Stinger, and yeah, that didn't really last too long. It lasted about, like, God, I would say they installed that in 2012. It was out of here by 2017, so it lasted 5 years here. Before Stinger, obviously Laser was here, and that was a Schwarzkopf double looping roller coaster here. And it's nice to finally see another coaster back on this plot of land again. Definitely it was missing in this park skyline, and it's nice that it's a major thrilling B&M like this. And looking at that 95-degree drop, like, that's definitely going to rival Fahrenheit at Hershey Park. So it'll be nice here when it opens. Nice 3 collection of B&Ms, Talon, Hydra, and next year Iron Menace. Just amazing. Also, Dorney Park mentioned that the Immelmann should be going up next. That's what some of the pieces down the lot over there are for. So hopefully we see that rise in the next coming weeks. also I heard the trains for Iron Menace are finally now starting to be manufactured and should be getting shipped soon, so very exciting. So Dorney Park also has the pieces staged over there in the overflow lot for the Immelmann. They plan to start that next now that the 95-degree drop is all done. Yeah. It does look amazing. And well, guys, that's going to do it from this week's Iron Menace construction update. Hopefully, in the next upcoming weeks, I imagine the first week in January, we should see the Immelmann loop rise. But at the rate Dorney Park is going, I wouldn't be surprised if we see it next week. Yeah, a lot of fun progress going on down here at Iron Menace. So like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so when I post these new videos, you'll be the first one to know about it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.